What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. And I have to say that Lucid is losing its momentum. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we broke with these two movements, with these two swing lows. We broke this previous swing low, and this was the sign that this asset is still very weak, and most likely we should land lower in order to complete the consolidation phase, in order to collect more steam to hit high targets. And right after I made my previous video, we had this massive movement to the downside that hit lower targets. And right now we are hovering at roughly, let me show you, at roughly 26% lower than it was previously. And definitely this is not the best sign from the technical standpoint. So, and let's start with the news, and first of all let me show you the bullish news that is directly related to Lucid. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on December 15th, and it says, Lucid Group is called an electric vehicle stock standout by Bank of America. And let me quote you further. The firm is confident on the upside for the electric vehicle maker and sees it as one of the most attractive among the universe of startup electric vehicles automakers, and also a relative competitive threat to the universe of incumbent automakers. And they said, we believe LCID currently has more pieces of the puzzle in place and in process that most of its peers, which steered by a management team with impressive experience, should push the company more successfully from concept to commercialization. And they set a price target of $21, and definitely it is much higher than its current price of $7.45. On top of that, let me show you other predictions from other analytic firms. And we don't have many predictions that was made recently, but all of them are above its current range. And this means Lucid probably is undervalued right now, and it might be quite a good medium-term investment with an upside potential of at least 50%. So let me show you another news. Lucid wants a slice of China's crowded EV market. And let me quote you this. The California-based auto company is recruiting a dozen positions in Shanghai, its LinkedIn posts show. The roles range from product management, marketing and sales, public policy, design and supply chain management to software development. The type of team it's putting together suggests that Lucid is more likely to import vehicles to China than manufacture locally, as Tesla does, at least in near future. So, it is quite interesting conclusion, but I have to say that I completely agree with it. And let me show you the LinkedIn page of Lucid Motors, and they have plenty of opened positions, and some of them were posted even 4 months ago, but one of the most recent one is right here. It was published just 4 hours ago, and it is a head of human resources. Definitely, this position is very important because with this position they will start to hire more people, and they will do it locally, not from the outside of China. And definitely it shows the intention of Lucid to increase its position in China. On top of this news, let me show you another very bullish news that was published on December 13th, and it's titled PANASONIC Energy and Lucid Group announce agreement to supply lithium-ion batteries for Lucid Air luxury EVs. And this strategic partnership is very important for Lucid because Panasonic has the most competitive batteries on the market, and with this partnership they are reducing the risks of supply chain issues in terms of the most expensive part of their vehicles. Definitely it is a very bullish long-term catalyst. On top of that, we have another catalyst, but it is not the biggest one. They opened retail and service center in Netherlands. So, and let me show you the details from Bear's workshop YouTube channel. And right here, as you can see, we have the latest flyover that was made just 2 days ago. And as you can see right here, this spot is completely empty right now, and it doesn't mean that they sold or delivered all of these vehicles. This means that they just moved these vehicles to this spot. And right here you can find that there is a lot of vehicles stored on this spot, and definitely it shows some controversial signs. On the one hand, it shows the ability to produce more vehicles right now, but on the other hand, we might consider it as a very slow sales and deliveries of these vehicles. So let me show you another spot, the oldest one. And right here we also can see a lot of vehicles, but the closest spot is half empty. On top of this spot, let me show you another one. It is the road on the one side of their plant, and this road is also full of vehicles. I have to say that the total number of these vehicles right now is about from 1.5 to 1.7 thousand vehicles. And definitely I still think that these vehicles should disappear in a matter of just 2 weeks in order to be in their earnings report, in their deliveries of Q4 2022. And definitely, if we won't see these spots empty in a matter of 2 weeks, definitely it will be a very bearish sign, and definitely we will see lower price for Lucid. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, why despite this good news, this asset is still going south? Definitely, in my opinion, it is the result of the total sentiment of the market. And if you take a look on other EV automakers, you will see that they also had rough weeks at the very beginning of December. And this means we are still on downtrend, and this means we don't have any signs of potential trend reversal for the short-term perspective. And what will be this sign? As I already mentioned, we have to see higher highs and higher lows. And if it happens with an increase in volume, definitely it will be one of the first signs that this asset might have a trend reversal. But on the other hand, the price of roughly $7.45 becomes even more lucrative for the long-term holders. And if your investment horizon is longer than 12 or 18 months, definitely you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle, and this will bring you a lot of profit in the future. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. Just be cautious as a short-term trader, but if you want to invest, you can accumulate your position on these low levels. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stay